Hey everybody, Lonely Homesteader here. A quick and easy meal. If you feel like tacos and you don't want to go through the process of cooking a lot of meat, throw a can of chili on your wood stove. And it makes a good substitute for meat. And you got yourself some redneck chili tacos, maybe. Let's see here. So, can of chili. Fresh off the wood stove. Throw on your cheese. And of course, your fresh diced onions. Goes good with chili, no matter what. And anything else you want to add, if you got fresh cilantro or something like that, I don't have any in the garden right now, but I got all this. You got some salsa you want to throw on there. Whatever you want. I think I might put some picante sauce on one or two of these. That's it. Piece of cake. Homesteader meal. Quick and easy. And very filling. Alright. Adios. God bless.